How to fix WhatsApp verification code not received problem. So, if you are not receiving the verification code via SMS, then you can also select the call option. So, for that, you have to open WhatsApp and try entering the correct number. Then after that, you will be taken to this page where it has been written here to automatically verify with a missed call to your phone. You can tap on continue button, or you can also select verify another way. So as you can see here that we haven't yet received the verification code through SMS, so you can tap on call me option. Then once you receive the call, you can get automated voice message or the voice call with 6-digit verification code. Then you can easily enter the verification code. But if this also did not work for you, then you can contact the support team for further assistance. For that, let's go back. Once you open WhatsApp, you need to tap on three dots at the top right corner of the screen and select the help option. Once you get access to the contact support page, here you need to choose the category that best describes you and describe your problem. You can simply write here, "Hi team, I am facing an issue with the WhatsApp verification process. I haven't received the verification code required to complete the registration. I have checked my connectivity, restarted my device, but the problem persists. Kindly assist me in resolving the matter as soon as possible. Thank you." Once you have written this, if you have any screenshot, you can simply tap on add screenshots, which is optional, and add the picture of the issue as well here, and tap on next button. Then you'll be taken to the storage help center. Then you can easily find out the question for your issue. If you don't find here, you can just tap on this doesn't answer my question. Then on this page, you can also select Gmail or Google Play search and easily share the mail to WhatsApp support team, or you can also compose a mail to WhatsApp support team regarding this issue. And once you submit the Gmail to WhatsApp support team, you might get or you will receive the solution for the problem and get the WhatsApp code immediately after 24 hours or after certain hours from the WhatsApp support team, and you can continue the registration process from there. So that's it for today. I hope this video worked for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more updates.